Hey there, online shoppers. So you've stumbled across BettyLane.com and you're wondering, is this site legit or am I about to be scammed? I get it. Shopping for deals online can feel like navigating a minefield these days. Let's break it down. As of early 2026, BettyLane.com isn't a name you'll find on any legit brand lists. In fact, there's barely any trace of it at all. That's a massive red flag. Usually, trustworthy stores have a history, some buzz, or at least a few real customer reviews. Betty Lane? Nada. Here's what's really sketchy. The name itself. Scammers love to mash up popular brand names. Think Betty from Betty's Casinos or Everlane from the well-known clothing brand. It's an easy way to fool you into thinking you're dealing with a reputable shop. They'll even use fancy AI-generated images that look super tempting, but in reality, you might get dollar store quality or nothing at all. And don't be fooled by claims that it's a US or UK-based site. Many of these pop-up shops actually ship from China, which means you could be waiting weeks for a mystery package, if it arrives at all. Oh, and good luck trying to return anything. So, how do you avoid getting burned? Always double-check the URL. Look for odd spellings or weird domain endings. Check their social media. If it's a ghost town or full of stock photos, that's a big nope. Read reviews, but look for real details, not perfect 5-star ratings. And if you're in South Africa or similar regions, check financial registrations through the FSCA. Bottom line? If a deal looks too good to be true on BettyLane.com, it probably is.